To withdraw Cash App money from an ATM, you need to have a Cash App account and a Cash Card, which is a debit card linked to your Cash App account. First, make sure you have activated your Cash Card and it is linked to your Cash App account. Next, locate an ATM that accepts Visa cards. As the Cash Card is a Visa debit card, you can find ATMs near you by using the ATM locator on the Cash App or by searching online. Before making a withdrawal, check your Cash App account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. You can do this by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and looking at the main screen. To withdraw cash, insert your Cash Card into the ATM and enter your PIN. Select the withdrawal option and choose the account you want to withdraw from, which should be your Cash App account. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Be aware that Cash App charges a fee for ATM withdrawals, which is currently $2 per transaction, unless you have at least $300 in direct deposits each month. Some ATMs may also charge additional fees, so it is a good idea to check with the ATM operator before making a withdrawal. After confirming the transaction, the ATM will dispense the cash and print a receipt. Take the cash in the receipt, and make sure to keep the receipt for your records. It is also a good idea to monitor your account activity regularly to ensure that all transactions are legitimate and to report any suspicious activity to Cash App support. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw Cash App money from an ATM using your Cash Card.